This week, we're going to be cooking fish pie jackets. Jacket potatoes that have been turned into fish pies. And I know some of you are going, I don't really like fish pie. You will now. You will like it. You will need 2 large baking potatoes, some cheese, a little bit of cayenne pepper, American mustard, some mayonnaise, frozen peas, and some frozen white fish fillets. Kitchen kit this week consists of 1 knife, 1 grater, 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 bowl, some tin foil, a baking tray, and your favourite mug. The first bit of cooking for this week is turning the oven on. Once your oven is nice and hot, get your 2 large baking potatoes, pop them on a tray, stick them in the oven. Worst dad ever. I've been called that a number of times, particularly when I ask him to eat all of his broccoli. You're the worst dad ever! Don't worry if you don't think they're not done yet, because we're not done yet. Get your tin foil and rip yourself a nice big piece off. Then take 4 frozen fish fillets and pop them onto the tin foil. Little bit of veg oil, not too much. Get yourself another piece of tin foil the same size, put it on top of the fish and just fold it all together, giving yourself a little fish parcel. Right then, take the potatoes, we're gonna cut them in half. And then our fish, we're gonna unwrap the parcel. Lift up the fish, drain any water from it, pop it into the bowl. Now, with a spoon, gently empty out the flesh from the potatoes. So once you've got the potatoes hollowed out, it should look like that. I'm gonna add some mayonnaise, just to soften it all up together. And then some American mustard, about a tablespoon. Got some cayenne pepper, I'm gonna put a pinch of that in. A little bit of chili powder would also work. And then lastly, 1 mug frozen peas. And with your spoon, just kind of gently fold and mix everything together. And you end up with this gorgeous smelling, delicious fish pie mix. And then pack it back into the potato. Do that first layer into each one, and then with the leftover mix, make it big. Pile it up high. Piled up high fish pie. Next thing, bit of cheese. A big handful you need. And just put it on the top as if you were making like a cheese wig.
It's quite balancing act, Tom.
It is a balancing act. Have you ever tried wearing a wig? Tried it once, didn't work. Everyone still knew who I was. "20 minutes later, you have the best fish pie baked potato thingamajigs ever.
Excuse me, everyone. Carry on, Tom.
Rich doesn't like baked potatoes. It's a midweek staple made into something super special. Go on, get your jacket. Let me know how you've got on today using the hashtag #FulltimeMeals and follow our page where you can see loads more recipes.